Going on, people? What we have for you today is another install for the Aprilia 2019 Factory 1100. As you can see, I opened the box. Pazzo levers. These aren't shorties. I don't care for shorties too much. Went with the black with the red adjusters. The instructions are right there. Alright, let's get to it. Stay tuned. So I'm going to start with the brake side first. Torque wrench up there. There's a bolt underneath there, if you can see it. 10 millimeter. We'll start there and we'll take that off. Yeah, got the screw out, took the bolt off. Rubber boot. Your lever. Be careful not to rip the damn boot. It should just pull right out. Just wiggle it a little bit. Comes right out. Here's your lever. This little piece inside here, we're going to need that. So yeah, next, like I mentioned, the little metal piece that they provide. You put it on the back side of the lever and knock out this casing here, because we need this piece here to go into the new pazzo brake lever. The part right there. So give me a sec. Yeah, so this piece here, oh, it popped right out. And you need this. Hold on. So yeah, this is what your lever looks like when it's all apart. We just need this part out of it to go with that. All this here, put it back together, whatever you need to do. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put everything in that box. Sorry. Alright, so now I got the part out. You got to get this into that little ass hole right there. And it is a pain in the ass because it just keeps wanting to collapse. So I have to figure a way to get this piece into there before I put the lever on. So after some help with my wife, I got the actuator pin on there. Simple from there. That goes there. Put the bolt back in. And done with the brake side. So hold on, I'll do that next. I got the lever on. Actuator pin. The bolt. Do not forget the nut on the bottom, because this damn thing can vibrate out and you're gonna have no brakes. So just put the nut on there and do some testing. See how I like my lever to be at. And we'll see. Okay, got the lever on. Boot, screw and nut. Still on position 6 for right now. I'll turn the bike on. That's just a cool display. And let's see. Damn, I almost fucking would have killed myself. Yep, seems to be working. Alright. So next, we're going to come around here and we will get to the clutch side. All right. Okay guys, to do the clutch side on this bike, I found it easiest to loosen that bolt and rotate your lever up to get to a 10 millimeter bolt that's on the bottom, because there are some cables and wires that you just can't get the the wrench on there snug. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, the bolt is out. Next, get some slack in your cable here. I marked mine with the black and blue marker to see how far it went in before putting the new lever on. I'm not exactly sure if that's going to help at all, but I did it anyway. So yeah, that's where I'm at. All right, next what I did is put some slack in my clutch line, put it all the way in, and I pretty much made it parallel with the perch of the lever, so hopefully to make it easy for it to slide out. And there you have it. Clutch lever came out just fine. Here's the lever. So there's the lever. You can see it. Oh, let me turn some light on. All right, much better. So there's the lever. It's kind of sitting with the clutch cord on. I need this steel bushing out of here, using this same piece here to pop that out to go into there. Alright, got the steel bushing out. It goes into there. You can actually just use some pliers to get that out. It came out pretty simple with all the grease on it. Slide it into there. Rotate your lever up a little bit there. Retrofit your cable. Grab your screw and continue the process. Alright, so I got the lever back on. It's high right now. Gotta adjust it to where I need to be at. But first, this bolt here, don't over tighten it. I just did it like an asshole and my lever wasn't snatching back. Tighten it up to where it snatches back. But make sure it is tight. Then next, rotate your lever to your desired position, and then you're going to tighten this bolt up, and then check everything, then test everything. Alright, so finished product. I got the lever on. Seems to be bouncing back nicely. Pazzo levers. What I'm going to do is, if you can see that mark there, that's where I originally had my cable at. I'm going to screw it back into there, and then I'm going to adjust on my adjuster where my lever at, where I can try to keep the same feel. Alright, lever's on. I got it on a 3 on that side, and I think I have it on a, I think that's a 3 on that side actually, so it worked out good. Free play. I need to turn it on to make sure my quick shifter and cruise control are working. So let's see here. So there's my pazzo lever install. I'm sure there's 1,000 videos online of the same thing, but like I said before, I made my own. So yeah, black with the red adjusters, and that's it for another install on the bike. All right, I'm out. Holla.